Types of urinals. We'll call that number one. What type of urinal is that? Pedestal urinal. Can I still use a pedestal urinal according to the plumbing code?
Yeah, it says only pedestal urinals and wall-hung urinals with integral traps shall be used.
There you go. As quick as that, you should be able to answer those questions. Those are like the easiest questions. So the next urinal in the middle, we'll call it number two. Do you know what it's called? What type of urinal is it? Phil Pilla.
A stall urinal.
Very good. It is indeed a stall urinal. Mike Schiavelli, how come I can't use a stall urinal?
It has to do with the style of the drain. It doesn't have an integral trap. Doesn't it drain into like a trough?
That's like the main piece. So there's a trap under there, an exposed trap under that. So stall urinals prohibited by the code. The last one is a wall-hung urinal, but you're supposed to know what type of wall-hung urinal that is. You're going to need to know that wall-hung urinal is known as a what urinal? It is wall-hung, but it's wall-hung slash, because it has a fixed unit value that is going to be very important to your life and being able to size the sanitary drainage system. Chris Lassard, it is a wall-hung.
Is it a wall lip?
That is awesome. So number three is wall-hung wall lip. They're going to be very critical to you sizing, again, the sanitary drainage waste and vent system.